Alright guys, been a while since I've been on the ride. It's been like 2 weeks, 2 or 3 weeks since I was last on the road. Start off in a different location. I've been out for a small bit, just recording reels, stuff like that. Now I want to do a little vlog. Hopefully you guys are having a great time. Hope you guys have been warm. It's been cold out here, man. We finally got snow, as you can see. There's a lot more for the past 2 weeks. It was like piled up to like yay high. But finally melted. The bike's gonna get dirty today for sure. It's gonna need another wash, but all the salt and stuff is probably washed off the roads for the most part in the last little bit. Should be a fun little ride. Just out for like a little quick little vlog, just get one in. I think the next little bit I'm gonna do one vlog a week until the weather's better. Or if I'm commuting more to work, then I'm gonna be recording more commute rides, but it's still in the dark. So I'm trying to figure out the best headings for the Osmo Action 3 at night, because I want you guys to actually be able to see a lot of it, not just like pitch black darkness. Alright, so we're on the road again, and a little bit of a little ride, have a bit of a cruise, having some fun. Just realized I never zipped up my helmet. So yeah, we're out about having a little ride today. It's been a while since I was last on the road. It's been like 2 or 3 weeks now. It's been cold. We've been getting snow, and it honestly took me a little while to edit my last vlog. I don't know what it was. Maybe digital burnout or something, but I wasn't able to like sit down and actually like do the editing for that. I finally got it done. It's live now. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it by the time you see this one. If you guys didn't, go back and have a look at it. You guys might enjoy it. We went to the Vancouver Moto Canada Motorcycle and Power Sport Show, showcasing all the newest power sport and motorcycles coming out for 2025. It was enjoyable. I went with my buddy Danny, another local rider, was supposed to go, but she was feeling ill, so she never went with us. So it's alright. Me and Dan had a good time. We recorded a bit for that. It was fun. It was honestly fun going out on a ride with another person for once. That was like the first time ever since I started motovlogging and stuff I've gone on a ride with another person. So it was fun. Now we're just going a little bit of ride, getting the bike warm. It's been like 2 weeks. The bike wouldn't start up first. It was still cold, but after a few attempts it started up, so it was good. It was good. And there's no real agenda today. It's just like saying, hey, what's up? I'm still alive where I've been the past couple of weeks. So that's about it. Yeah. I've been commuting with the R7 to work and everything. It's been amazing. I've only had run-ins with the cops just once. They didn't pull me over though. They just want to like see what a guy's doing in like minus 10 degrees on the highway on a sport bike. But they didn't pull me over because my exit was like lit as soon as I passed them, like 2 minutes after. Like a minute up ahead after I passed them was my exit, so I just cruised on in there and they just passed by. But I literally saw them in my mirror pull out as soon as I passed them. So it was really like weird. It was really weird. That's where I've been. Hope you guys have been well. I'm gonna end this video here. I don't really have anything to do or say today. It is cold, so I'm gonna end this here. Yeah, I'm fine. It just took me a while to do the edit for the other video, and I wasn't able to ride as much in the last 2 weeks. It's cold right now. I'm not wearing my insulated gear, which is a terrible choice on my end. I'm gonna probably go grab a coffee and then just head on back home. I wanted to record a couple reels of this vlog and just give you guys an update where I've been the past 2 weeks. Alright, so catch you guys in a bit. Thank y'all for watching. It's your boy Jay, the Motor Marauder, signing out with the Yamaha Rama. We'll catch you on the next video. Alright.